horrible. Like,
I know, why are they doing this flashback? Like, who cares about 97?
I know, right?
4.
Oh, yes, I was born. Sorry.
Yeah, we were born in 97. God. Guys, Craisins are so good.
Oh my god, I love Craisins.
I don't listen to this music.
I don't listen to this music. You know what?
And 98?
I like it. Who is that?
He's ugly. They need to get some hot guys. Did you guys just hear something?
No.
Does your mom use like Windex? The bird may flew into the window.
Yeah, that's probably what it is. Yeah, I don't see anything.
Oh my god, let's have a pillow fight!
I don't have a pillow.